Jack had always loved his old pickup truck, a rugged machine that had seen better days. Its body was dented and rusted, a testament to years of hard work and rough roads, but Jack couldn't bear to part with it. It held too many memories. One day, Jack decided it was time for a change. He wanted to give his truck a new lease on life, starting with its worn-out body. He spent weeks researching and gathering the tools and materials he would need for the project. The first step was stripping the truck down to its frame, a daunting task that required patience and precision. With determination, Jack removed every bolt and panel until only the skeleton of the truck remained. Next came the fun part, rebuilding. Jack carefully measured and cut new steel panels to replace the old, rusted ones. He welded them into place, shaping them to fit the contours of the truck perfectly. Slowly but surely, the old pickup began to transform. As the days passed, Jack's truck started to look like new again. He added fresh paint, choosing a vibrant blue that made the truck stand out on the road. New headlights, grille, and trim pieces completed the transformation, turning the once tired-looking pickup into a head-turning beauty. When Jack finally fired up the engine and took his rebuilt truck for a spin, he couldn't help but smile. It was more than just a vehicle, it was a symbol of his hard work and dedication. And as he drove down the road, he knew that this truck would continue to be a part of his life for many years to come. With his truck's body rebuilt, Jack's next focus was on the interior. Years of use had taken their toll on the seats, dashboard, and trail. Jack wanted the inside of his truck to be as comfortable and stylish as the outside.